we're going to see if maybe if we do speed up, we'll get some aerial acrobatics here. We're going to keep our eyes out for boat traffic as well. With the air staying up, we're sure you hold on. We're going to pick up speed. We'll look around the boat here. Sometimes we'll fall into the waves that we make off the stern of the boat. That's called the stern wave. They have been known to get airborne